The clock is ticking toward April 15th, and if you haven't filed your return just yet, you need to be aware of some changes that could impact your wallet. News 5's Tracy Carlos is in the newsroom with all the details.
One local accountant told me these changes will affect about 30% of taxpayers.
It is the season. Tax season.
300, going to get it in 300, now 350.
John Hanline is an auctioneer.
You never know what the season's going to bring, whether it's going to be a good year or a bad year. So I want to get in and know ahead of time what the future holds for me. Do I owe or do I get money back?
He wants to know how the numbers are adding up sooner rather than later. Like many tax seasons, this one arrives with some changes. At the end of December, Congress passed the Taxpayer Certainty and Disaster Relief Act of 2019. More than 30 tax code provisions were extended throughout this year. Private mortgage insurance is once again deductible. Medical deductions will stay at 7.5% of adjusted gross income. Those with qualifying college expenses can deduct up to $4,000 depending on income, and there are retirement plan changes. 72 is the new age for the minimum distributions from certain retirement accounts, which means retirees can put off paying taxes on that money. Penalty-free distributions for certain retirement plans and IRAs for births and adoptions. And employers must offer retirement plans to part-time workers.
They do need to cover part-time employees and offer the 401k participation to the part-time employees. So in the past, we could exclude part-time employees.
Another extension, the non-business energy property credit. Taxpayers are allowed a 10% credit for purchases of energy-efficient improvements. That's good news for Phil Tromba. He owns Tiger Air Heating and Air Conditioning and will be notifying his customers.
What we found out is homeowners, if they purchase a new furnace or a new furnace and air conditioning system, for going back to the years 2018 and 2019, they can get a tax credit.
The tax changes took effect so late in 2019, it is causing some delays.
The IRS is not ready for some of the changes. Our software company that we use is giving us a message. They are working, and as soon as the IRS updates the form, Drake Software will update the form too.
Also this year, it will pay to file on time. The IRS raised penalties for filing late from $210 to $435. In the newsroom, Tracy Carlos, News 5.